Hi everybody, my name is Peggy aka Peggypeg. Welcome on my channel. So today is gonna be a quick video about how I do my brows. So now there is absolutely nothing on my brows. I usually do it before I do the rest of my face, but for the sake of the video I did put on a little bit of foundation. But yeah, normally I do my brows first, then my eyes and my foundation and all that stuff. So yeah, my brows are freshly threaded, so I'm gonna show you how I fill it in. Okay, stay tuned guys. Okay, so I got one brow done here, that is done, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and brush my hairs at the front up, and the remaining part I'm gonna go horizontally, and for the tail I'm gonna go down. So I'm just following the natural direction of my hair growth. So I'm just gonna go with my Anastasia Dipbrow pomade and go at the top first with small like hair strokes to fill in the gaps, and at the same time perfecting my arch. So I don't want to apply too much pressure so that it gets too dark. And I'm gonna follow to the tail. Then I'm gonna go down and make a line and distribute the products in the rest of my brows. So I am applying the less products that I can to the front part, because that's what's gonna make it look natural, and that's where I apply the less pressure. So I am using a dark brown color even though my hair is naturally black, just because the brows, dark brows, it's not a very flattering look. Well, for myself. So now my brows are filled in. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean them up with my LA Girl concealer. I'm gonna clean the part that it's down first. I am using a color that's a little bit lighter than my natural skin shade. That's gonna give it a freshly done look. So then I'm just gonna blend it with the rest of my face. And for the top part, I don't go all the way though. I just stop maybe 3/4 of the brows, and then I blend. Yeah, so that's it guys, my easy way to do my brows. I know they don't look the same. Brows are meant to be sisters, not twins, so it's totally fine if they are not looking the same, so as long as they look like they are part of the same family, you know. But yeah, that's it for my simple quick tutorial. I'll see you in a next video. Ciao, bye.